Hello, I'm Chris Muck, Product Manager for REVEGO at Blum US, and today I'll introduce you to our REVEGO Pocket Connector template. This template is used to pre-drill for REVEGO Uno and Duo top and bottom connectors. It includes a handle, a drill bit stop collar, a hex wrench or Allen key, a ruler, and 2 movable guides. Not included but necessary would be a 5mm drill bit, and of course you would want a corded or cordless drill. We would also want to have our technical drawings, which we downloaded from the Blum product configurator close by for reference. Before proceeding, let's familiarize ourselves with the template. There is a surface here on either side of the handle that acts as the 0 location for the ruler itself. So this surface will always press against the front of the pocket panel. Each guide features 2 rows of holes with their own 0 surface. This surface should always rest on the outside edge of the pocket panel to ensure that the holes are located 8mm from there. Therefore, which row of holes we use depends on which end of the pocket we're currently pre-drilling, be it the top or bottom. Guide 1 is for the front pocket connector and locks in place using a detent or locating pin. On this guide, we will use these 2 windows to select one of 6 available measurements depending on our application. Each pocket connector has a different hole pattern depending on if it's REVEGO Uno top and bottom, REVEGO Duo top and bottom, or a countertop height. To change from one to another, simply pull the pin, slide the guide forward or backwards on the ruler, and then release the pin, and it'll snap into place. Again, just use these 2 windows depending on your application to see what dimension you've selected. Guide 2 is for the rear pocket connector and is locked in place with the thumb screw. To move this to its proper location, we'll loosen the thumb screw, use this indicator to select the dimension shown in our print, and then retighten. Now let's go through an example together. Set the stop on your 5mm drill bit and tighten it using the Allen key. Next, locate the prints which correspond to your interior and exterior pocket sides. For this example, we will begin by preparing the interior pocket side for a REVEGO Duo. The top section is designated by the letter A in the drawing. We're looking for these 2 dimensions, which are essentially where the front and rear hole clusters begin. If there is ever any confusion, these arrows always point to the front and bottom on each print. We'll set guide 1 to match the front dimension, in this case 121mm. Just make sure you use the correct window depending on your dimension as shown. Then select the rear measurement using guide 2, in this case 445.6mm. Make sure the guides are tightly secured in their correct locations on the ruler. Position the template against the front edge and outer surface of the pocket panel. Then pre-drill holes through both of the guides. Now we'll move on to the bottom section, designated by the letter B in the same drawing. Let's locate these 2 dimensions and repeat the process. Just remember once again to position the template against the front edge of the outer surface of the pocket panel before pre-drilling these holes through the guides. Finally, install the connectors using number 4 by 35mm flathead wood screws. Please note that your pocket connectors may look different depending on your application. Now you know how to use the REVEGO Pocket Connector template. If you have any further questions, please leave them in the comments and stay tuned for future videos.